Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today, we will be unboxing the smart bulb from Lasco. If hindi nyo pa napanood yung previous video ko, which is the Lasco Smart Wi-Fi LED strip, watch it here and ililink ko sa baba. Panoorin nyo muna yon and then balik na lang kayo dito. Okay, so if napanood nyo na yung video na yon, sinabi ko doon na mag-unbox pa ako ng iba pang Lasco products. So ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng another Lasco item, which is the smart bulb. So nawili na ako sa Lasco products kasi nga nabanggit ko before do sa previous video na tatry kong gawan ng home automation tong kwartong to. And ito, pangalawang Lasco item ko na siya. Okay, so in front, makikita mo nakalagay si Lasco Wi-Fi Smart Bulb with the picture of the Lasco Smart Bulb. And then on the side, this one is the 9-watt version with 700 lumens. It has cool or daylight and warm and yellow light. So it also has RGB. Schedule timer, on and off timer, and then voice command via Amazon Alexa or Google Home or Google Assistant. And then you can also use mobile control as long as you install or download the Smart Life or Lasco app. And then the controls, you can adjust the color, the brightness, and the saturation. So depending on your preference. And then on the other side of the box, nakalagay yung specification. Yun nga, wattage niya is 9 watts. Brightness is 700 lumens. Color is 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. So, RGB, warm, and cool light siya. Voltage is 100 to 265 voltage. OS compatibility is Android and iOS. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Okay, so, open it like here. Oh. So, pagka-open mo, meron siyang parang details. Lasco tested by. So bago nila na-release, tinest muna nila kung sira ba siya or hindi. Okay yung quality control nila. And then, wala na sa loob. Kinuha ko na yung instruction manual. And that's it. Yun lang. And of course, syempre yung bulb. So, ito na siya. So, sabi sa website, this one, the housing or yung body ng bulb is aluminum. So, ayan. Hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. And ito, plastic yung for the light. So, saan ko siya gagamitin? Actually, bumili pa ako ng desk lamp to partner with this one. Kasi para sa desk ko to eh. So, naisip ko, kailangan ko ng desk lamp. And ito yung ilalagay ko for that desk lamp. So, another unboxing. So, this one, nabili ko siya sa Shopee. Ililink ko na lang din sa baba. So, ito yung tsura niya. So, this one. Na-disinfect ko na to guys. Don't worry. And na-store ko na siya for parang 2 days na yata. So, ayan. Okay. So, ito una. Ito na yung mismong body and yung lamp mismo. I'll put this down first. And then, I'm assuming this is the base. Yeah. Base siya. May base siya. Meron silang iba pang lamp depende kung anong preferred mo na lamp. So kinuha ko yung base. Yung isang option naka-clamp sa table mo. And since meron ako nung clamp na ginagamit ko for top-down view, sabi ko, try ko na lang muna yung may base kasi pwede kong gamitin yung clamp na yon para dito. And may base pa ako para pwede ko siyang dalhin kung saan-saan. Kunyari, dagdag ilaw for product shoots, 'di ba? So, dual purpose. So, ito yung base niya. And, mabigat. And then, let's open the lamp itself. Okay. So, ito na siya. And then, ito yung desk clamp na kasama dun sa boom arm ko for the phone for my top view shots. Then, ayan, meron siyang ganito. You can just put it like this. So, pwede na siya pwede mo siyang ikabit sa desk mo na naka-clamp, via clamp. Or, this one, which is yung kinuha ko talaga, na, for the base. For the base. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. Ito na siya, guys. Okay. Okay, setup ko lang, ha. Natapos na naman ang isang unboxing ng Lasco item. So, watch out for more. So, ayan, sinabi ko na, mag-unbox pa ako ng iba pang Lasco products. So, and also, magkakaroon din tayo ng reviews, syempre. Pag may unboxing, may reviews. So, watch out for those videos. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you're not yet already. And smash that bell to get notified when I post new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.